The feeling of being surprised happens when something unexpected takes us off guard. It can be a sudden event, a piece of news, or an amazing situation we did not see coming. Words like surprised, shocked, amazed, and astonished describe this emotion. They all show that something happened beyond what we expected. Being surprised means reacting suddenly when something we did not expect takes place. The feeling can be good, bad, or neutral. For example, when someone organizes a birthday party secretly, we may feel surprised and happy at the same time. The word surprised is used when an event or action catches us off guard. There are several words that are close in meaning to surprised. The word shocked means a strong and sudden emotional reaction, often to something upsetting or negative. The word amazed means filled with wonder or admiration, usually because something wonderful happened. The word astonished means extremely surprised, often when something is impressive or hard to believe. These words are all connected, but they show different levels of intensity in the feeling of surprise. The word surprised is used in many everyday situations. For example, I was surprised to see snow in April, shows that something unusual happened. He looked surprised when I told him the news, shows a sudden reaction. They were surprised by how easy the exam was, shows that they expected it to be hard. We were all surprised at the sudden power cut, shows that something unexpected took place. Each of these examples helps show how common the word surprised is in English. The word surprised is often used in common expressions. Pleasantly surprised means something turned out better than expected. The phrase "do not look so surprised" is used when someone reacts more strongly than necessary. Surprised to learn something means we discovered something new we did not know before. And the word surprising is an adjective that describes something that causes surprise, like it is not surprising that he won the prize. These forms help learners use the word naturally in daily speech. People feel surprised in many situations. When something unexpected happens suddenly, it causes surprise. When we receive news that we did not expect, we may also feel surprised. Sometimes a person does something unusual or amazing, and that brings the same feeling. Even when a plan or event turns out very differently than we imagined, surprise is a natural reaction. In short, surprise appears whenever reality does not match our expectations. The words surprised and shocked have similar meanings, but their tone is different. Surprised can be a mild and even pleasant reaction. For example, I was surprised by the gift. Shocked, on the other hand, is much stronger and often negative. It describes an intense emotional response, as in we were shocked by the terrible news. Understanding this difference helps learners choose the right word for the right emotion. When English speakers express surprise, they often use short and natural responses. They might say, "Really? I cannot believe it, no way," or "Wow, that is surprising." People also say "You are kidding" or "Are you serious?" to show disbelief or astonishment. These small phrases help show emotions instantly and make your English sound natural in real conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.